Welcome to Brain Vision.
So, in order for the aim to hit the target, the sum of the magnetic force, sum of basically all force, which includes the magnetic force, the electric force, and the gravitational force. This should be equal to zero to aim at and hit the target. And the magnetic field must point to the left when viewed in the direction of the target for no net force. Now, we know that Fb is equal to Q times V cross B. So, the magnitude of the magnetic force is equal to Q times Vv sine phi. Here, velocity and magnetic field are perpendicular, so sine phi is 1. And Fe is the magnitude of electric force is Q times the magnitude of electric field, and Fg is basically mass times gravity. So we plug these equations into this equation and we get QVV plus QE. So yeah, one thing to note that the direction of this is opposite to the direction of the electric force, and the gravity is opposite to the magnetic field. So we have a negative sign here and a negative sign here. And this is equal to 0. So this gives B to be Q times E plus mg over Q times B. We solve this using the values given in the question, and we find the magnetic field to be 3.45 Tesla, and this should be, as I said earlier, perpendicular to the initial velocity of the coin, because we already took that assumption over here. We took phi to be 90 degree, which means B and V are perpendicular. So yeah, and notice that this is a very strong magnetic field, but it is sometimes possible to achieve it